Alam mo ba na sa halagang 6,000 pesos, kapalit nito ang napakaraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging member ng IMG. Hindi lamang po ito simpleng membership, ang IMG membership platform ay complete package. Magkakaroon ka po ng access sa financial education, protection, healthcare, and investment. Magkakaroon ka din ng savings, discounts, and rewards. Hello everyone, I am Coach Mary Ann Sanchez Rigulto. I am a member of IMG since 2015. Mahigit isang dekada na po akong member ng IMG. Kalimitang tanong, ano nga ba ang mga benefits kapag nag-member ako ng IMG? Number 1, you are an automatic saver and investor. Kapag nag-member ka, may instant 1,000 PDF savings ka agad at pwede mo itong i-convert into Soldibo Mutual Funds through Ramper Financials. Katulad ko, tuturuan ka rin dito kung papaano palaguin at paramihin ang ating ipon. Imagine kung gagawin natin ito 5 years, 20 years from now, na kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng napakalaking ipon pagdating ng ating retirement years. Free personal accident insurance, may coverage ka mula 100,000 up to 300,000. Dapat meron talaga tayo nito because accident can happen anytime and anywhere. Memorial assistance, kapag IMG member ka, magkakaroon ka din ng 50,000 memorial services from Fidelity Life at 24/7 memorial concierge service from Everest Memorial. Healthcare benefits, meron din tayong free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Center branches plus discounted medical and laboratory services. Kasama na dyan ang immediate family member natin kapag tayo ay member ng IMG. Another benefits is vision care, legal assistance in IMG Financial Book. May free vision care like 2 pairs of frames per year, free legal consultation 45 minutes, 2 session per year. At bibigyan ka din nitong IMG Powerful Book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future Book. Non-life insurance discounts, benefits. Isa pa sa mga benefits kapag IMG member ka ay may discount ka rin sa mga non-life insurance, mas affordable na travel insurance, car insurance at property insurance dahil may discount ka. Real estate savings. May magiging member savings ka rin kapag bibili ka sa mga malalaking real estate companies sa Pilipinas. IMG Auto Program. At kung bibili ka ng brand new car, cash man ito o financing, may exclusive discount ka dahil member ka. IMG Rewards. Kung gusto mo rin gawin ng IMG business bilang isang financial educator, pwede ka rin dito magkaroon ng additional source of income. Magkaroon ng mga incentives like travel around the world. Bakit nga ba kami nakakapag-travel bilang mga IMG member? Dahil ang IMG ay nagkakaroon ng mga conventions dito sa Pilipinas at sa iba't ibang bansa. Kaya kami nakakapag-travel around the world. Kasama sa mga rewards na ito ang pins, recognitions, watches, and free HMO o healthcare para sa mga MD and up. Worldwide protection benefits kung ikaw ay isang OFW na gustong mag-member sa IMG. May exclusive additional benefits para lamang sa'yo. Merong 500,000 accident death benefits, 100,000 burial benefit, 100,000 medical reimbursement, 600,000 acts of terrorism, 600,000 unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement benefit, and repatriation services. Hindi ba napakaganda na sa halagang 6,000 pesos kapalit nito ang napakaraming benefits at opportunities? Sulit ba? 2015 pa po ako member ng IMG at masasabi kong sulit na sulit talaga na maging member ng IMG. This is a complete package. May financial education tayo, protection, healthcare, investment access, savings, discounts, and napakaraming rewards and opportunities. At isa sa pinakamahalaga dito ay ang community na makakasama natin sa misyon na maabot ang 30 million financially educated families by year 2030. Kung gusto mo na mag-umpisang maging member ng IMG, nasa Pilipinas ka man o nasa ibang bansa, mag-comment ka lang sa video na ito o mag-message ka lang sa aking Facebook account o kung sino man ang nag-forward ng video na ito upang matulungan kang makapag-umpisa. Advance congratulations and welcome to IMG community. God bless you!